Let me guess, you want a teddy bear too? Good thing I upgraded my factory with digital enterprise software suite to automate our operations. Embedded sensors monitor performance to let me know if the machines are being naughty or nice. So we're maximizing production across all toy assembly processes. Ingenious, right? You don't want a teddy bear. You want a what? Oh, a new Gotta Have It toy. No problem. With our TIA portal software helping control and manage automated production processes at my factory, we can easily keep up with rapidly changing markets. Long story short, we need a new sleigh, but development costs can be through the chimney. But then I had a stroke of genius, Siemens PLM software. It lets the elves virtually design, test, and modify my new sleigh hundreds of times before picking up a single wrench. Oh, and between you and me, the elves tell me it's gonna have an incredibly fast 6,000 horsepower engine. Well, you've been a good girl and a good listener. I'll be sure to leave something special under the tree for you.